This is gold's biggest rally since the 1970s. Yes, the last 55 years, this is one of the biggest rallies in gold's history. Traders, investors, portfolio managers are rushing to add gold to their portfolios because the fear of missing out and the worry about inflation. But if you look at this year alone, gold prices have been skyrocketed 50%, making gold one of the best performing assets in the last 12 months. Right now, you should see thousands and thousands of pips across two assets, Bitcoin and gold, accumulated about £20,000 in the last 7 days. This, what you see on the screen, is not weeks and months. This is just the last week alone. If you want to get quality signals and if you want someone to guide you through in the sea of macroeconomics and fundamentals, look at the screen. This is our private Discord. And you can get access to this by going to alphafx.eu. You can get access to minimum 3 days morning briefing a week, minimum 3 live trading sessions per week, depending on market conditions. But what I can guarantee is signals and analysis every single day. In this format, you get the TP, the stop loss, the soul sellout, and you get a morning briefing written out, an analysis delivered to your Discord to help you prepare for the week ahead. I will be there to trade with you. So if you want to get access to my signals, to my analysis, to my market commentary, just go to alphafx.eu. Please note there are 12 places limited till the end of 2025. So if you miss these 12 spots, you're out until next year. So you have to wait 3 months to get in. But let's start the analysis and understand the key drivers for the gold rally. If you follow gold markets since years or just from the end of last year, you should know that last year was pretty flat. Gold was ranging in this tight range. By the end of August 2024, something has changed. Well, the first thing is that people were slowly getting back to the offices, getting ready for the end of the year. Kids went back to nursery, people were getting ready. So the offices reopened and clients, most importantly, started to give orders to the brokers, to the hedge fund managers, to the portfolio managers. And of course, we had, Donald Trump made sure that we not bored at the end of the summer. And of course, the hopes of a rate cut. So we talked about, presidential policies, tariffs. We talked about monetary policy, the Fed. We talked about, people just getting back to work. So the clients give orders to the brokers. And you can see that all of these are fundamentals and macroeconomicals. And of course, we had the macroeconomic data, which has helped for this rally since the end of August. And also remember that Forex is offering a 50% deposit bonus, which is a wonderful way to boost your equity. So I explained about 4-5 drivers, not sure. But the biggest one, which is the most recent, is the government shutdown. So the US government has shut down. They didn't know they're going to shut down, but there was a possibility, and at the end they did shut down because they couldn't agree on certain things regarding the government budget. So they wanted to raise the debt ceiling, but some people said no, we can't. The others said yes, we can. So this has led to a full-blown government shutdown, and this uncertainty increased the hedge premium, which pushed gold prices higher and higher. And you can see that I did manage to buy at every single high, and my strategy is buy high and sell low. So when the market is going up, just keep on buying. And when you look at the macroeconomic environment, nothing has changed in the last 7 days. The government is still shut down. There's still uncertainty in the market. And what we need to factor in now is the euphoria and the hysteria around gold. So even prices are still elevated. This is going to go only higher and higher, even if the government is reopening. Yes, you heard it right. So this is where the market sentiment comes in. You have to buy at higher prices, or you have to buy the dip, because prices will go higher. I sent this article for the members, very good article. If you want to get access to it, go to alphafx.eu. Now, Morgan Stanley is now recommending clients to hold 20% of their portfolio in gold. Morgan Stanley which is one of the biggest, and JP Morgan as well, recommending clients to hold gold. Now, this is going to pour billions and billions of dollars into the gold market. So even if the government reopens, this artificial money, well, this artificial demand, which is going to go into the gold market, will help to push gold higher and higher. And now gold is so big, you cannot ignore it. Even crypto traders are coming back to gold because they can make better and easier profits. Let's skip all of these fundamentals and economic and find some entries and exits. I'm using technicals to find entries and exits, and I'm here going to tell you how to trade gold at the current all-time high. So as we speak, gold just printed a new all-time high at 3,980, and currently it's pulling back a little bit. So if you look at my previous positions, this is the living proof that buying the dip is always a good strategy. Now, how to buy the dips? You have to understand and have to identify key market and price levels. Currently, price is just above the daily pivot, so I already drawn out on the chart that this is the current price level, the first opportunity to enter or jump on the gold rally wagon. If price fails at this price level, because we have, price takings, longs are overcrowded, there's nothing to worry. You just go down to the next price level, you look left on the chart and identify key support and resistance levels. Yes, this is pure price action. If that one fails, you have to go another level lower and identify another price level, which is going to be our support. And yes, this works. This is the living proof. And if you look at gold chart, it's been going on for 2 months, I think. And, just don't miss the trend. Trend is your friend. And also remember that Forex is offering a 50% deposit bonus, which is a wonderful way to boost your equity. You can trade with the deposit bonus, you can make money, and you can withdraw the profits that you make with the deposit bonus. And if you blow the deposit bonus, you can still withdraw your money. It's not a problem, but this is free money. I cannot emphasize enough. Start using deposit bonuses, especially Forex, which is a reliable broker for many, many years. You can find the link below the video and take the free money. And let's stop for a second. So I gave you the full macroeconomic analysis and I explained the buy the dip strategy, and I showed you my positions on how to trade, and I showed you the price levels where I'm going to be buying. Now, if you get any value out of this video, please comment in the video below and hit the like button, because I'm giving these videos for free and I hope you find it useful. Join the Alpha FX Academy, get the 50% deposit bonus and start making money. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon. This is the Alpha FX.